Hey, I'm Kika from Kika's Clips. Today I'll show you how to draw a lavender flower. Let's get started. Grab a piece of paper, pencil crayons, markers, or crayons will all work beautifully. To start off, let's find our shapes. We have a line for a stem, the leaves are ovals, and then we have the petals. And they look like teardrops. So these are our three shapes that we will be drawing in order to draw our lavender flower. And then after that, you can draw an entire bouquet. So grab your crayons. Let's grab a green color first. We need our stem, and ever so slightly curved. Our bottom leaves. They are thin ovals. And now let's start with our petals. Grab a few different colors of purple, as you can see here. That way you can see the difference with each petal. So let's start at the top. Teardrop, color that in. I'm just going to bring my colors over here so I can quickly change between my purples. So we're using a few different color purple crayons, markers, or pencil crayons. It'll work great. Lavender flowers have about 3 to 4 petals in sections. So here I have 4, I drew 3. Bring it down a little bit. And as you can see, if I just use one color, the petals kind of blend in a little bit too much. So when you change your colors, you'll be able to see those petals better. And each petal is a little bit different in size. Like so. You can have 3 clusters or 4 clusters, it's up to you. I think I'm going to do 4 clusters here. And there you go. We have drawn a lavender flower. So now, keep adding, draw a whole bunch, and you'll have a bouquet. Once you're finished, make sure to show me your results. Keep creating, keep learning to draw, and I'll see you in the next video.